Sneaker botting is at its lowest point that it's ever been at. Bots are lowering renewal prices just to get people to hopefully not cancel their subscription. As I noted in last week's video, resale prices of bots have plummeted, and sneaker botting is not producing the ROI that it used to. So, unfortunately, today we have to ask and answer the question: is sneaker botting still worth it in 2022? What's up, guys? This is Soul State from Juiced. I just want to point out really quick that this video isn't going to be as long as I initially planned it to be. I already recorded this video once and then I deleted it right after. So, yay for me. Anyways, I think we have three quick points that I want to touch on of why we are where we are. What got us to this point? What have bots done in response? And then where do we go from here? And is sneaker botting still worth it? The first point, what got us to this point? I think a lot of this changed whenever websites started changing, right? We saw websites really step up their bot protection, and they basically said, hey, sneaker botters, you're not going to be able to bot on our site like we used to. A big site, foot sites. I'll have another video on foot sites coming out next week because foot sites are they're changing a little bit. I don't want to say too much. I don't want to, get too excited about things, but we may have some stuff coming back to foot sites. So stay tuned to the channel for that. But honestly, I think that's what really changed everything is websites changing their philosophy on sneaker botters as a whole. What have bots done because of this? I think we have seen them try to adapt a little bit. Some bots have they took up the mindset of, you know what, we're not going to change. We are who we are, and we're just going to keep doing what we're doing and try to salvage as much money as we can. We're going to keep collecting our renewals and stuff like that until we can't anymore. And they basically just decided that they weren't going to do anything else, and they were just going to collect money and scam people out of money, basically, because they weren't doing anything anymore to improve their bot. Other bots, on the other hand, have taken the exact opposite approach. As you guys know, I have a very complicated relationship with Valor and all the people in Valor, but Valor is a bot who has done the exact opposite of what I just stated. They have tried to add as much as they can to provide value to their users, and they've still lowered the renewal cost. So, as much as I disagree with how Justin and his team may handle things, you can't deny that they are trying to produce a good product for their users. And I honestly think he is one of the only bot devs who is still trying to make his bot worth it for everyone instead of just resigning to the fact that this is just the way it is and we have to accept that. Valor has stepped up their Shopify module even more. Their Nike module is becoming a huge hitter on all Nike releases. So shout out to Valor. They're doing their thing and they're still producing value in a time where most bots aren't. So shout out to them. And then the third point, where do we go from here? Is sneaker botting still worth it or not? As you guys know, I may be a little biased. This channel was founded on sneaker botting. Well, initially it was sneaker mystery boxes, but then we moved over to that's a story for another time. But sneaker botting, is it still worth it? It seems like a lot of people are scaling down. Even Nova said in his last video that he is scaling down. I think if someone like that, who has really started this whole sneaker botting scene and brought it to the forefront, if they say it's time to scale back, maybe it's time to scale back, right? If Nova says that we should scale back a little bit and focus on making our profit again, then I think that's what we need to do. We need to listen to what he has to say. I mean, he's the one who started a lot of this, so we got to listen. So I think that sneaker botting is still worth it, just not the way it used to be. You can't look at it as your main source of money making method anymore. And luckily for you guys, I am starting a brand new money making series over on the second channel where I am reselling items like Hot Wheels and random sneakers that I pick up from different stores, and even just retail arbitrage as a whole with items that I'm picking up from places like Walmart and like Target. So I think these are a lot of features that you're going to see coming very soon to Juiced. If you want to get a preview of that, go check out the second channel and check out some of the stuff we've been selling over there. Very excited to see where we go in this next journey. Very excited to add all of these features into Juiced over the next coming months. So stay tuned for that. If you guys need a cook group, any help at all, check out Juiced. We have everything you need. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. I am going to go live tomorrow for the Jordan 4 release. So stay tuned in for that. But as a whole, sneaker botting still worth it. Change your approach though, not what it used to be, but still can make money. Just got to be smart about it. I'm also going to be making a video next week talking about what bots are still worth it, giving you a tier list because some of these bots are just straight up scamming you, and I'm going to expose them next week. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys. Have a good rest of your Friday. Be sure to like the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below and let me know what you think about sneaker botting as a whole right now in 2022. I'll see you guys on tomorrow's stream. This is Soul Stay from Juiced. Signing out.